my friends, I'm Kathleen Hanson and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today I will walk you through some new guided warm-ups and singing exercises with some brief comments on what they can help you focus on. Let's jump in. As always, take a moment to relax your breathing and come into an aligned position. We want to feel balanced and relaxed. Take a couple of low, slow breaths and release any tension that you don't need. Let's start today's singing practice with an NG sound. This sound is excellent for encouraging full vocal fold closure and focusing the tone. Let's sing on and go. Before we continue, I'd like to remind you that my Vocal Warmup mobile app with guided warm-ups and exercises for singers is now available in the app and Google Play stores. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. That is me. And the links are below. I hope you'll check it out. In order to continue to develop a clarion tone, let's sing on ning-ee, like ning-ee, 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 ning-ee. Make sure to keep a little bit of pleasant lift in the face and a feeling of release in the jaw. We don't want to get too tight in the mouth or jaw. Ning-ee, ning-ee. Here we go. Ning-ee, 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 ning-ee. 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 Let's sing an exercise that will work to free the tongue and jaw as we sing on nee-ah, like nee-ah. Remember to breathe low and keep the jaw relaxed. Here we go. Nee-ah. To work up and down a pentascale on a very rounded zo sound, like zo. Keep thinking of relaxed breath and a bit of gentle space between the teeth. Here we go. Zo. case of a pentascale again, this time let's add in a couple of variables. We'll move from a nee to an ah, like nee-ah. For this exercise, aim to sing it lightly to aid in register transition. Nee-ah, here we go. Let's move to a major triad as we sing on le, la, lo, like le, la, le, la, le, la, le, la, lo. Aim for consistency between all of the sounds. Here we go. Le, la, le, la, le, la, le, la, lo. Le, la, le, la, le, la, le, la, lo. Le, la, le, la, le, la, le, la, lo. Le, la, le, la, le, la, le, la, lo. We're going to end with an octave arpeggio that starts on 5 or sol, like V-A-E-A-E. Aim to stay engaged with the breath and keep relaxing as we get into the high register. V-A-E-A, here we go. V-A-E-A-E, 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 It's always a pleasure to sing with you. Thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app at the links below, and I will see you next time.